Hello traders, welcome to First Bars Academy. Today we're going to be making another video on Binance tutorial. So this particular tutorial is all about how you can adjust your take profit and your stop loss while you're in the trade, right? Because we know that trade management is key towards success, right? The key towards your success is how effective you manage your trades. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So you can see we are currently in a trade, right, on XRP USDT, right? So and the trade is currently in profit. You can see we have about 83% so far, right? So I would like to drop a quick nugget right here. You know, it's not all about the profit that you make, right? When you're trading on Binance, it's really all about your percentage and your margin, right? How much do you risk every single time, right? And how much do you get in reward every single time, right? That's all that matters whenever you're trading on Binance. Now, how do we adjust our take profit or stop loss? So now you're in a trade, you're in a winning trade or a losing trade, whatever it is. Let's use a winning trade as an example. So you're in a winning trade and you want to move your stop loss to your entry point. So you want to secure that position so it won't end up being a losing trade. So what you do is you go ahead and you click on this button right here. So you can see over here we have something like TP/SL, right? We have something like TP/SL. So we go over there and what do? We click on it. So we click on this button and what option do we have? So we have an opportunity to set our take profits and we also have an opportunity to set our stop loss, right? So now if you want to break even, right? So remember, we are looking forward to breaking even, which is moving our stop loss to our entry point. So what we do is we are going to be using this area, right, for our stop loss. So we go ahead and we type our entry point. So this is your entry price. So anytime you want to break even, don't look at your trading view, don't look at the charts, just look at your entry point on Binance. So Binance will always give you their entry point for that particular trade that you took. So that's how you want to break even. So I'll go ahead and I'll type in this figure that we have here. So I'm going to type in 1.4272, right? So you can see by typing 1.4272, you can see it says when mark price reaches 1.4272, it will trigger stop market order, right? So we already know that a stop market order means to stop that price at that particular point. So it will trigger a stop market order to close this position. So your estimated loss will be 0.0 USDT. Now you want your estimated loss to always be at 0.00, so it has to be white, right? So anything apart from that, the color is going to change. Let's say you see 0.08, so you have to make sure it rhymes with your entry price, which is 1.4272. so this way, once I click on confirm, it means I have gone break even on this trade. So let's click confirm and then let's wait patiently to see what happens next. All right, so now we are currently break even on this trade and you can see this here. So how do you confirm that that trade is actually break even? So you go ahead and you look towards the bottom left hand side of your charts, sorry, not your chart, of your Binance app, and you can see the stop loss has been set, right? So you can see it right here, 1.4272. So the same way, if we want to set our take profit, right, we click on the same button. Now we go over to our take profit and here we're going to analyze the charts and whatever target that we fix for this trade, this is where we're going to type in that particular target. So let's say for XRP I'm targeting 1.5, so I go ahead and I click 1.500. And the amazing thing about this tool is it lets you know how much you're going to win if you win that trade, right? It lets you know how much profit you're going to make if you eventually win that particular trade. So far, take profit is going to be 1.500, and you can see here it says when mark price reaches 1.5000, it will trigger take profit market order to close this position. Your estimated profit will be 30.82 USD. So this way you know, okay, once I hit take profit, this is how much I'm going to hit in take profit, right? And we already know we should always go for 1 to 3. So since my risk is $10, then my reward should be $30. So this is how you can be able to put your stop loss and take profit. And I can go ahead and click confirm. So after clicking our confirm, coming back to our app again, what can we see? You can see our TP level has been set and our SL level has been set as well. So this way you have your take profit and stop loss set, and you're ready to allow this trade to play out the way you analyzed it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you took a whole lot of value from this video, and always remember, make sure that you manage your risks effectively every single time, right? Make sure you manage your risks effectively every single time, and always manage your trades. Have your SL and TP set, always break even when price gives you your risk back, and stay consistent. So once again, thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful, and also follow me on TradingView so that you get access to more free educational analysis as I drop them every day, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get more access to free educational content like this that will help you towards becoming a profitable trader. So thank you so much for watching once again. Stay blessed and see you on the next video.